He played a lot of American folk music for the 50s and 60s, maybe before, leaned heavily on Scottish tunes and Irish, maybe even some English ballads. Anyway, so we get my rain back, so we took you, should be coming round the mountain, and we said you can't shove your granny off the bus, and your granny's your grandmother.
Well, you can't shove your granny off the bus. No, you can't shove your granny off the bus. No, you can't shove your granny. She's your mammy's mammy. You can't shove your granny off the bus. Well, you can't shove your granny off the bus. No, you can't shove your granny off the bus. No, you can't shove your granny. She's your mammy's mammy. You can't shove your granny off the bus. Can you shove your granny off the bus?